Alright you guys, welcome to World of Concrete 2020. Let's go see what DeWALT has in store for us this year. Guys, we're with Lainey now. We're going to talk Tough System 2.0. What's the 2.0?
So 2.0 coming in May 2020. Really just upgraded from our original 1.0 system. Got a lot of new features, 20% increased capacity within these storage units. And then really if you look at the size here, these latches, auto release here. You just hit that and they come up, and then if you just line it up here, you can click them right back into place, so a lot easier to maneuver and use. Durable wheels we've upgraded, you can see here, versus the 1.0 system. A lot more durable, gonna last you longer on the site here. So a lot of new features coming with the 2.0 system.
Cool, is it new material? It looks different, feels different.
It's a similar material, but just kind of a newer look. These aren't final runs, but
okay.
Gonna be a similar material.
And the price is gonna stay the same?
So it will take an increase.
A little increase?
Yeah, a little bit of increase. So.
Cool, alright.
Yeah.
Very good. And then you guys have a new Tough System music radio too, right?
We do, yes. So that is, we're working on rolling that one out as well. So that is our increased, kind of just fully updated radio features, louder, better quality,
nice.
Sound quality.
So we're going to see all this in 2020?
Yes.
Alright, cool. Thank you. Appreciate it.
First thing I'll show is this is our new 12 amp fast charger. This is our fastest charger yet. This will work with any of our 20 volt max or flex volt batteries, and regardless of what battery that you put in, it'll give you about an hour or less charge time. It's also a smart charger, so it automatically detects the fastest rate that your battery is designed for and uses that. Has built-in active cooling, wall mount, and double insulated design, and you'll see that available later in the spring. Right below it here, this is our new task light on our 20 volt system. So this is a really super convenient way to bring your lighting with you. It's an LED design. It has 3 brightness settings. And this handle here doubles as a kickstand, so you can angle the light however you want to shoot it. And it has a built-in tripod mount in the base, so you can even mount it on a tripod and use it that way. Again, this will be available in the spring. And then finally, one more new product that we have here. This is our new Bluetooth radio. As you can see, we already have a Bluetooth speaker, very convenient and portable, and we have a full-size radio here that's been available. This kind of gives you that in-between, so if you want a little bit more portability, it's more compact, but it still has an excellent sound quality. Built-in Bluetooth, of course, and AM/FM radio, and again, this will be available in the spring. And that's just a few of the things that you'll see here at World of Concrete 2020 with DeWALT.
We're talking about cutting shrouds?
Yeah, absolutely.
What's so important about cutting shrouds?
The cutting shrouds are great for the OSHA compliance rules, right? So if you're doing cutting, you need a way to collect the dust with concrete. This is carcinogenic. So we've got a new 5-inch and a 7-inch shroud, both sizes. And they've got a lot of neat features with plunge settings, so we can keep the bottom of the tool flat against the concrete, collect more dust that way. A nice window to see through the blade, and then the ability to open it up to change your blades real nice and easy there.
Wow.
And the whole thing, the whole thing will connect to our airlock system for our hoses, so that when you do connect it, you don't have to worry about it coming unhooked.
Cool. And that just fits on any tool?
It'll actually will fit on any of our small angle grinders. Yeah, we made sure it's backwards compatible to the old ones as well.
Yeah, dude, that's crazy. Cool stuff. And then obviously you can hook it up to your Bluetooth vacuum.
We absolutely will, and we are right now, as far as I know, the only maker out there you can do this application completely cordless based on our CFM radios.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And if you guys don't know that, check it out. James just pointed at that. That little vacuum right there has a little remote you can wear like on your wrist. You push a button and it turns on. So it's kind of cool, you know? And I love your guys' interlock system here, the way this stuff locks together. Yeah, and you can actually put that thing on the tool too if you wanted, right?
You could. You can put it anywhere on your wrist or wherever you want it to be. We just left it there so that we could have it quick and easy with the setup.
Cool, good stuff. All right, guys, let's go on to the next. All right, guys, next on the DeWALT list is pressure washers, right? You have to have a clean job site, and when you want a pressure washer, you want a pressure washer that's gonna last. Before we get into this is Bill. I got a pressure washer from you probably 12 years ago. Gave it to detailers who wash campers every day. Use this pressure washer 8 to 10 hours a day. Every day, they're still using it. It doesn't look like a pressure washer anymore because it's so like rusted and gone, but it runs and it works and you know, it did the job. So what are we talking when we come to DeWALT pressure washers?
Yeah.
What differentiates you guys?
Good question, Dan. Welcome to World of Concrete today. So with the DeWALT pressure washers, as we build a wide range of pressure washers, the DeWALT pressure washers are the best of the best. We use the most premium components, features that you would find on DeWALT machines, because there's a higher expectation from under the DeWALT brand. Whenever we build something under the DeWALT brand, it has to be top of the line. So we put a full range of products together, from belt drive, industrial electric, and our high-powered pressure washers that are direct drive as well, and a full range of accessories to make your pressure washer more effective for the application that you may have, be it a surface cleaning, be it a turbo, be it or even some maintenance accessories that you would need, like extra nozzles and things of that nature.
Cool. So you guys basically custom build pressure washers for DeWALT when, like, you know, you're going to add the best pump, you're going to add the best motor, put it on a nice sturdy frame, make sure it's all like not corroded or whatever, with that stuff you can spray on it.
When we started building the DeWALT pressure washers in 2009, we knew that we would be held to a higher standard. So all these have to go through an application test to make sure that they meet the standards for the DeWALT brand name.
Right.
And it's once again best of the best.
Right. Exactly.
So for longevity, for durability, for performance, the things that people come to expect for the DeWALT brand.
Right.
And we meet that standard. But we take it very, very seriously. These things that go through an independent testing. When they're built, they go through independent testing before we release them into the market.
Wow.
And from there, we've developed a wide range of products, and the range keeps growing larger. We have tremendous amount of success in North America, and also in Australia and New Zealand as well.
Wow.
We've expanded into that market as well.
Cool.
With a high level of success.
Crazy stuff, you guys. Yeah, DeWALT pressure washer is one of the best on the market, and obviously they have an application from electric to everything, you know, all the way from up the gamut, right?
Absolutely.
So cool. Thanks, Will. Appreciate it,
We
brother.
appreciate your time.
Yeah.
Good seeing you guys
Yeah,
as
me
always.
too. Let's
Have
go
a great
check out
show.
the next. Last but not least, you guys, you get job site power. You can't do that without generators, inverters, stuff like that. We're gonna talk to these boys. What's the craziest, coolest inverter generator here?
DeWALT 2200 is our newest with
Is that this one?
Yeah,
let's go
this
check
one,
that
this
out.
one, yeah.
What kind of features are we looking at with this?
So the biggest feature is going to be the CO Protect shutdown system. So it's our first inverter with CO shutdown. So when large amounts of CO accumulates in an area, it'll shut down the generator, just to kind of protect you, keeping it outdoors. You have the integrated off-run choke dial and your LED lights to kind of check, monitor oil levels and overloading. Parallel ports.
Cool. What's your biggest generator here?
Right here,
How many watts?
14,000.
14,000 watts. Okay, so what's your smallest?
Well, this one, and then we have the 4,000.
Okay, so 4,000 up to 14,000 is pretty much the range.
Exactly. Yeah.
And what kind of warranty you guys offer?
3 year.
Cool. 3-year warranty, you guys. DeWALT generators, if you know, they look awesome too. Who doesn't love the black and yellow? All right, so 4,000 to 14,000. Pretty much, you guys, DeWALT has some great generators here on display at World of Concrete 2020. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click like, and don't forget to go over to TikTok. Peace out.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.